Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain lower function. Lower function convert all uppercase letters into lowercase. Here syntax for lower functions, we can pass inside character expressions or we can pass column. Now I will show you practically how this lower function works. So first I will explain default behavior of lower function. Okay, select, I use Oracle SQL. Okay, Oracle SQL as original string. Then I will use lower function. Inside this lower function, I will pass same this literal as lower string from dual table. Now, if you run this query, see, actually original string is this uppercase letters, but after applying this lower function on this particular literal, all these characters converted into lowercase letters. Okay, first this is first behavior, all uppercase letters converted into lowercase by using this lower function. Now one more scenario. Now in this particular literal we have some kind of mixed characters, one character in small letters, one character in uppercase letter, like this. Okay, even though if you provide same literal to lower function, this functionality never change. Lower function functionality always, even if you provide any kind of character expression, it convert that particular values into lowercase letters only. See, even if you provide these kind of mixed letters also, it's convert all the characters into lowercase. So this is default functionality. Now by I will use same lower function on this particular employee table. Okay, let's assume I have this particular ename column data into in uppercase letter. Now I want to convert all this data into lowercase. So these type of situations we need lower. So now see, select ename as original string. Then I will use lower. Inside this lower function, before we are here we are passing character expression, but here I will pass simply column name as lower string from emp. Okay, so this way also we can use lower function to convert column data from uppercase to lowercase letters. Okay, and also we can also use lower function in such criteria. Now see how to use. So if you run this select star from emp, we have some this kind of data, right? Here we have employees and their jobs. Now job, okay, from emp where job equal to manager. Okay, I want to filter data based on job category as manager. Now if you run this query, no row selected. Why? Because here this particular data exit in the uppercase, but here we are searching in the lowercase. So to overcome this kind of issues, what we can do here is we can convert all this job column data into lowercase letters. Now see, so lower, inside this lower function we are passing simply job column. Now what will happen? Whatever data present inside this particular job column, all that particular data converted into lowercase, and whatever literal we are providing, that particular literal is matched, only that particular data gets fetched in the result. Now see, before no row selected, now only manager job category manager data gets displayed in the report. So this way also we can use lower function. Okay, so if you have any queries related to lower function, please post your queries into question and answer sections. So that's it guys. Thank you.